Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headset mic not working on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. So, at the bottom right of your screen, you'll see this sound button. Just right click on it and click on sounds. From here, just go to recording. And here, you'll see lots of options. Just select your min mic and right click on it and make sure to set it as default. You can find the option here as well. Just select it and click on set it as default. Mine is already set as default, so I don't have to do anything. Then just right click on it and click on properties. Then just go to levels and make sure your level is at a higher level so that you can actually hear yourself after recording the audio. After that, just click on OK and click on apply, click on OK again. And after that, your mic should work. And even after that, if your mic doesn't work, what you can do is just click on the start button, then just go to settings, expand this. From here, just go to privacy. From here, on the left hand side, under app permission, go to microphone. And from here, make sure to change the microphone access for this device is turned on. Click on change and make sure this is turned on. Also, allow apps to use your microphone should be turned on. And from here, make sure all the apps that you're using have the microphone access. Just turn them on if they do not have the permission. And also make sure the desktop apps also have the permission. And after that, just close this. And even after that, if your microphone doesn't work, what you can do is just go ahead and right click on the start button. Then just go to the device manager. From here, just expand this and expand sound, video, and game controller. You're gonna see your USB mic or whatever mic you're using in here. Just right click on it and click on update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers. Mine says I got the best drivers already installed. If you do not have the latest driver installed, it will download and install it for you. Then just click on close. Then just close this as well. And after that, hopefully your problem should be fixed. And basically that is how to fix microphone not working on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.